Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to flip lasso selection. So we'll use these lasso tools and we can select this object. Now you need to create new layer from this selection. Go to layer, click this icon plus and then you can click the duplicate layer. So we create the new duplicate layer from the selection, and then you can move into the the previous layer, and then you can click these icons to delete from the selection. The next you can move again into the new layer with the selection, and then you can flip, like I will flip in here into vertical. Now you can go into the remove selection area. After it, we can move the objects to this point. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to flip lasso selection. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.